Hey guys, it's your girl Carmise. Welcome back to my channel. Usually I accept $8.50 and up, but if it's very slow I will do $7, $6, not $6 but like $6.25, $6.50, like that. Anyways, you guys, today is one of those days. I've been out here for an hour already, so it's already slow. I'm currently here at BJ's. I accepted an order going for $6.25, 1.5 miles. And yes, you guys, my customer wants avocado egg rolls. I'm about to head inside and pick up my order for Casey. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you guys turn post notifications to find every single time I go over her videos. And yes, baby, we're on the road to 8K, so I don't know what you're doing, baby, if you're not subscribed. Hello.
Did you pick up an order?
Yes. Thank you. You too. Alright, you guys, we got the order already ready. It's by the pickup time. I'm currently 5 minutes away and it's a customer delivery, you guys. And yeah, see you guys once I get there. Thank you. Have a good day. I accepted an order at IHOP going for $10.50, 7.4 miles. My customer wants 3 items. No, I'm picking up for. Alright, you guys, we got the order from Natasha 3 minutes after the pickup time. I didn't have to wait that long, honestly. I probably waited like 2 minutes. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to head over to my customer. I'm 15 minutes away. Contactless delivery. Alright, you guys, it's been about like 15 minutes since my last delivery. I was getting thrown a whole bunch of crappy orders. I'm still getting thrown a whole bunch of crappy orders as we speak. I accepted a Grubhub offer at Smashburger going for $11.63, 3.5 miles. And yes, you guys, my customer wants 10 items. There is no pickup time for Smashburger, so baby, I'm just gonna go right in. Hopefully it is ready soon. Hello. Yes, for Christina. Okay. Ooh. Alright, you guys. Got the order for Christina. 10 minutes. I was sitting in there for 10 minutes waiting for that order. Anyways, you guys, I got the order now. That's all that matters. I'm currently 8 minutes away from my customer. It's a contactless delivery. And yeah. Alright, you guys, so I accepted this order at Five Guys as I was driving to my customer's house. Like, good thing they don't live far away from the restaurant, so I'm getting there like 5 minutes before the pickup time, so I should be good. I'm gonna head right inside, tell them who I'm picking up for, because they don't make the fries until you get there at Five Guys. Same with milkshakes, so I'm gonna go straight inside, tell them who I'm picking up for, and they can have it done by the pickup time, hopefully. But anyways, you guys, I accepted the order at Five Guys going for $9.75, 7.4 miles. And yes, you guys, my customer wants a bacon cheeseburger, regular fries, little cheeseburger, and yes. Excuse me. For Pierce. Child, that was the fastest I've seen them work, you guys. I was really in there for 1 minute. They tossed the fries into the cup. All they had done was the fries. All they needed to do was the fries, and yeah, I was in there for literally like 30 seconds, a minute. So contactless delivery. I'm 9 minutes away. Is that a car? Oh, okay. I'm about to say, not the thunder. Hi, Bubba. You're so cute, buddy. Hello.
Thank you.
No problem.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Y'all, it is pouring. It is raining. It is thundering. Baby, I am scared, baby. Anyways, you guys, I'm currently here at Playa Bulls. This is my first time coming to this restaurant for a DoorDash order, baby. Anyways, you guys, I accepted the order going for $7.50, 4.5 miles. And yes, you guys, they want a whole bunch of acai bowls and a green smoothie. So I'm about to head inside and pick up my order for Roberto. I'm picking up for Roberto. Roberto.
Remember, pick up.
Yeah. Thank you.
And then smoothie as
Alright, you guys, we got the order for Roberto. And here, we'll put it in my DoorDash bag. Alright, you guys, I'm 13 minutes away from my customer. Contactless delivery. And yeah. Alright, you guys, I just made it. Hopefully I don't fall down these stairs, you feel me? They got a whole flight of stairs that I'm about to go down. Wait, almost slipped. Child, there's a lot of stairs. Fun fact, I delivered to this house like 4 times. Let me see. Where's the what? Alright, let's take a picture. I accepted my next order at Chili's, going for $8.25, 4.8 miles. And yes, you guys, I just arrived to the restaurant. I'm 10 minutes early, so hopefully it's ready soon. Thank you. Yep. That's for Christian. Alright, you guys, we got this big bag of chilies for Christian. All ready by the pickup time. The customer is 7 minutes away. It's a contactless delivery. Alright, you guys, we're heading back to Five Guys. I accepted an order going for $11.75, 7.4 miles. My customer wants 7 items: bacon cheeseburger, little cheeseburger, regular Cajun fries, little cheeseburger, and 2 milkshakes. That's a lot of food, you guys. My pickup time is in 2 minutes for Jeffrey. And yeah, see if it's ready. DoorDash for Jeffrey. Alright, you guys, I got the order. I got my order almost 20 minutes after the pickup time. I am just beyond baffled. Like, how do I come in the first time and you giving my shit 1, 2, 3? And then the second time I come, I'm waiting 20 minutes. Like, come on now. Like, it's whatever with Five Guys. I can't just keep coming here when it's slow. Like, I just can't do that, because I could have been like pick up an order, deliver it on my next shit already. Anyways, I'm 13 minutes away. It's a contactless delivery. They told me to ask for barbecue sauce. I did, and yeah, no problem. Alright you guys, it's been almost an hour since my last delivery. I finally accepted my next order at Chocho-san Sushi and Hibachi, going for $11.50, 7.2 miles. And next you guys, I'm picking up for Dominic. Let's see if the order's ready. I'm picking up for Dominic. Yeah. Alright you guys, got the order for Dominic. Just confirmed it. My customer is 10 minutes away. Contactless delivery. And yeah, see you guys once I get there. Alright you guys, I'm heading back to Chili's. I accepted an order going for $6.25, 1.8 miles. My customer wants house barbecue full order ribs. And yes you guys, I'm picking up for Steve. My pickup time is in 10 minutes. I'm picking up for Steve. Alright you guys, just picked up the order for Steve. Already ready by the pickup time. The rain is back in full force, y'all. I'm about to head over to my customer. They're currently 5 minutes away. It's a contactless delivery. And yeah, see you guys once I get there. Alright you guys, it's nighttime. As you guys can see, you guys saw the whole beginning of the day to the night, which is crazy, right? Y'all spent like the whole day with me. Anyways you guys, I'm heading over to Carvel. I accepted an order going for $9.25, 6.3 miles. And yes you guys, my pickup time is in 1 minute for Kristen. Kristen. Alright you guys, we got the order for Kristen. Already ready by the pickup time. See me? Anyways you guys, I'm heading over to my customer. It's a contactless delivery and they're currently 9 minutes away.